Welcome to Smart Education. Today we are going to solve 9th standard chapter 2 real number. Question number 2. Write the following rational number in decimal form. See, write the following rational number in decimal form. So we have to convert this in decimal form. So 200 divided by 127. As you know, nobody learned 200 table. I know that. So what we will do, we will go on multiplying 2s, 3s, 4s to get the answer. So here what is given? 200 given and 127. It is very small number, so it will not go. So what we will do, we will take 0 and decimal point. 0 will come here. Now 200 6 12 100. Okay, now here as you can see 0 7 0 0 came. So again, as we took decimal point, we'll take 0 here. Now after this 200 3 is 600. Okay, now we will get 0 0 7 minus 6 is 1. Again we will take 0 here. Once you take decimal point, you can go on adding 0. So I am adding here. Now 1000 is there. 200 5 is 1000. We got answer, that is 0.635. So 127 upon 200 in decimal form is 0.635. Okay. Next question is 25 upon 99. So here I am taking 99 will be here and 25 here. So this is the smaller number, it will not go. So what we will do, again we will use 0 decimal. So we will get 0 here. Now 99 2s, that is 198. Okay, and afterwards this will become 10, this will become 4, and one again this is the less number, down 9 is there, so again we will borrow from here 1, so it will become 14. 10 minus 8 is 2, 14 minus 9 is 5. Okay, now again 52 less than 99, again we will take 0 here. Then 99 5s are 495. Got it? Again here it will become 10, it will become 1, it will become 4. So it will become 4. To take this number, he borrow from 5, so it will become 11. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay, 11 minus 9 is 2. Again here 0, and again we will take 0. As we have taken decimal point, we are taking 0 again here. Now 2s, that is 198. Here the same number come here, 250. Again what we took? 2s are, that is 198. Again the same number will come, that is 52. As I already said, 10, it will become 10, it is 4. Now 4 is less than 9, so 5 will borrow from 2, so it will become 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. Again we will take 0. Okay, again 5s we will take, again minus 495. Okay, then this will become 10s. Now again this is 2, this will become 1, and a 1 will borrow from here, it will become 11, it will become 4. 10 minus 5 is 5, 11 minus 9 is 2. So it is a terminating recurring type, so the number will be go on increasing. So this is recurring type, it's go on increasing, there is no end for this, so we will write like this, 0.25 bar. So as you can see, 23 is divided by 7, so 7 3 is a 21. Okay, now here 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 to 0. Again we are taking decimal point to get 0 here. Now again 2 is a 14, 0 will become 10, 2 will become 1, 10 minus 4 is 6, 1 minus 1 is 0. Now here 6 we got, again we will take, as we have taken decimal point, we are taking 0 here. So 7 8s are 56. Now again this will become 10, this will become 5, because we borrow from this number. So 10 minus 6 is 4. Again 5 minus 5 is 0. Again we will take 0 here. Then 7 5s are 35. Again this will become 10, this will become 3. 10 minus 5 is 5. 3 minus 3 is 0. Again we are taking 0 here. Then again 7 7s are 49. Again this 10 and this will become 4. 10 minus 9 is 1. 4 minus 4 is 0. Again we are taking 0. 7 1s are 7. Okay, now this will come 3. Again we are taking 0. Then 7 4s are 28. Okay, so 28 minus 30, so it will become 10, this will become 2. 10 minus 8 is 2. Again 0 I am taking. Okay, again I am taking 0. See here 20, here 20. This number is going to be go on repeating, so it is a recurring decimal form. So answer will come 23 upon 7. I am writing in decimal form 3.28571. I am putting bar because it is going to repeat. Okay, there is no end for this sum. As you can see, what is given, 4 upon 5 is given, so I am taking 5 here and 4 inside. As you know, denominator always come here and numerator come inside. So 5 zeros are 0. This will come down. Decimal point I have taken, 0 will come here. Then 5 8s are 40. So 4 upon 5 is equal to 0.8. We got the answer for question number 4. Now fifth sum, that is 17 upon 8. Taking 8 and 17 here, 8 2s are 16. We got 1 here. Again we are taking decimal point, so I am taking 0 here. Again 8 1s are 8. Here 2 will come and 0. 8 2s are 16. Again this will 10, this is 1. 10 minus 6 is 4. Okay, 1 minus 1 is 0. Again 0 I am taking. Now 8 5s are 40. 17 upon 8 is decimal form. We got answer 2.125. So whenever you get time, please practice the sum. You will understand in better way. And like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.